Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Yesterday we are discussing about the first chapter that is called real number. Real number, what is real number? The real number is the combination of all numbers. What are they? The natural number, whole number, integer and rational number and irrational number. What is rational number? In this chapter we will learn about rational number and irrational number. What is the rational number? The rational number is in the form of p by q. The number which is in the form of p by q. The numbers which is in the form of p by q, and the second condition is q should not equals to 0. Denominator should not equals to 0. Exercise 1.1. Yesterday we have discussed about the first bit. We are completing the first bit. Use the Euclid algorithm. Euclid algorithm to find the HCF. We have solved the last 3 problems. Okay, we have completed that. Just we have to move towards the second problem. What is the second problem? Is that we use the division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is in some integer. What is the question is that any positive odd integer, any odd positive integer, let us take it as a. Okay, that integer is a. A ऐसे पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर है जिसके कितने फॉर्म्स रहते हैं? अगर वो ऑड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है तो उसके कितने फॉर्म्स रहते हैं? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 एंड 6q plus 5. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट. जस्ट ये फॉर्म्स को हमको प्रूव करना है. ओके, here is our solution. What is the solution? Is let a be an odd positive integer. Okay, in the question is that the show that any positive odd integer na, just we are taking that integer is a. Okay, a be the odd positive integer. What we have to use by the use division algorithm na, just we are using the. Let us now apply the division algorithm. Okay, division algorithm we can say. What is the formula? A is equals to bq plus r. Here second condition is 0 less than or equals to r, and r is less than b. Okay, this is our 2 condition. Here what is b ma? Here a be an odd positive integer na. What is b? B is considered from the question only. Okay, b is considered from the question. What is the question here? Question is this 6q plus. Here first one is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Okay, 6 in place of b. What we have? We have 6 na. In place of b we have 6. So just we have to take the b is equals to 6. B is equals to 6. From the question we get the b is equals to 6. What is the condition? 0 less than or equals to r, and r less than or equals to b. In place of b just we have to substitute the 6. Okay, how many possible remainder? R is remainder now. How many possible are remainder? The remainder is 0, 1. R is less than 6 now. Just how many numbers we have? How many possible remainder? The possible reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, less than 6. Okay, less than 6. We have less than 6 means we have 6 reminders. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the b value is 6. Always b value is less than r. Okay, r is less than b. A can be written as a is equals to 6q plus 1. Okay ma, 6q plus 1 in the question. In the question we have 6 na, in place of b we have 6 means 6q plus r. R here we have the 6. We have 6 remainder na, one by one we are writing in the form of Euclid division algorithm. Okay, a is equals to 6q plus 0. Okay, next one a is equals to 6q plus 1. Okay, a is equals to 6q plus 2. A is equals to 6q plus 3. Okay, a is equals to 6q plus 4. A is equals to 6q plus 5. Okay, we are getting the 6. This is the 3 forms ma. The a is in the 6 forms. Okay, what are the? A is equals to 6q plus 0. A is equals to 6q plus 1. A is equals to 6q plus 2. A is equals to 6 cube plus 3, A is equals to 6 cube plus 4, A is equals to 6 cube plus 5. Okay. Given that A should be odd integer. Okay. What is the A should be odd integer? We cannot consider the 6 values. Just we have to, what is the question is that A should be odd integer. What are the odd integer ma? What we 6 first one 6 cube plus 1 is odd integer, 6 cube plus 3 is odd integer, and 6 cube plus 5 is odd integer. Okay. A cannot be even. Okay. It is an order. So any odd integer is 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. Okay. This is we are proved. We are completing the second one now. Just we have to move towards the third one. What is the third one? Use Euclid algorithm to show that square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1. Okay. 3p plus 1. Here what we have to prove? We have to prove the 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 now. What is the integer? Integer is a positive odd integer na. Here is that what is the integer? Integer should be the square of any positive integer. Square. We have to do the square here. What we have to prove? It is in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1. It is we have to prove that. Okay. Here is your solution. What is the solution ma? Here also we consider the A. That integer is A. A be the square of an integer. A is the square of an. What is the third one question? Let A be the square of an positive integer. We are considering that positive integer as A ma. Okay. Applying the Euclid division logarithm we can say. Okay, what is the two condition we have on this equation? A is equals to 6 cube plus R, and A 0 is less than R, and R is less than B. This is two condition. What we have to do? We have to find the B value from the question itself. In place of B, what we have? It is 3 marks. It is in the form as A cube plus B cube plus R. It is in the form of B cube plus R. What is B here? B is 3 marks. I am taking B is equals to 3, and what is the condition? In place of B, just we have to write the 3. What is the possible remainder ma? What is the possible remainder? The remainder should be 0. The remainder should be 0, 1, 2. We cannot take the 3 ma. Here R, what is R? R is the remainder na. Remainder it should be less than 3. Less than B means less than 3. What are the possible reminders? How many we get? The possible reminders means 0, 1, 2. Okay, we have to take the less than 3 ma. Okay, 0, 1, 2. We get the 3 numbers. Just we have to write the 3 numbers in the form of Euclid division algorithm. A can be. Okay, A can be. A is equals to 3q plus 0. A is equals to 3q plus 1. Okay, A is equals to 3q plus 0. A is equals to 3q plus 1. A is equals to 3q plus 2. Okay. According to the question, we have to write. According to the question, what is the question is that? Just we have to write that form. Okay. What is the question? The question is that A be the square of positive integer. Just we have to do the square. Okay. We are doing the square of LHS and RHS of 3. Okay. A square. Here I am taking the 1 by 1. Doing 1 by 1. A square is equals to 3q square. I am taking the square to each. Okay, it will be 3 square and q square. Okay. 3 square and q square. Here I am taking the 3 common. How much left here? 1, 3 and q square. When we apply in place of q, when we apply 1 in place of q, what we get? 1 square is 1, 1 3 is 3. Okay. Again we get the any integer. Again we get the integer now. Then we can write it as whole value as p, because p is integer now. P is integer. Then come to the second one. What is this? Q square is equal, A square is equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. Okay. 3q plus 1 whole square. Okay. A square is as it is equal to is as it is. Here we are applying the A plus B whole square formula. Here I am applying the A plus B whole square formula. What is the formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is in place of A? We have 3Q. Means 3Q, 3 square and Q square plus what is B square? In place of B we have 1. Okay, 1 square plus 2AB. 2A 3 into Q. A is 3 into Q into 1. Okay, we are applying the a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, 2 it is a and it is b. Okay, what is here? Just we have to take 3 square and q square is as it is, and here I am taking the first 2ab. Here I am multiply the 2 ones are 2. Just we have to write the both numbers. First number plus 1 is goes to last side. Okay, what we have to do the common, number we take the common, we are taking the 3 as a common. How much left here ma? 3 square is there na, 1 is common and goes to how much left here? 3q square plus I am taking the 3 common. How much left here ma? 3q only. Okay, plus 1. Okay, here I am after if we apply the any number 1, okay, we get the 3 ones are 3. Okay, plus 2 I am applying the 1. 2 ones are 2. Again 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 5 is also a integer na. Whole number we can write it as p. Okay, 3 plus 3p plus 1. Third one is a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Here also we are applying the a plus b whole square formula. What is a square? 3 square q square plus b square. What is b square? Means 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4 na. Plus 2ab. 2 what is a ma? 3q. What is b? 2. Okay, 3 square is as it is. Just we have to write the number, last number first and second number is last. Okay, this is the second step. What we have to take the common here? We are taking the 3 common. What, how much left here? 3q. 1 3. 3 square is there no? Just we are taking the 3 is common. How much left here? 3 and q square plus I am taking 3 common. How much left here? 4. Okay, how much left here? 4. How much left here? 4 ma. Here 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 again 4 we can say na. 3 plus 1 is again 4. Here I am taking the 3 common. How much left here ma? 1. Okay, when we apply any number in place of q, I am writing the 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 4 ones are, I am taking the 4. Q value is 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 means 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Again we get the any integer now. The whole value can written as 3p plus 1. Okay, the a should be the square of an integer. What we get? 3p and 3p plus 1. That is we get now. Just we have to prove that. Just we get, that is our answer, 3p and 3p plus 1. Here is the fourth question and fifth question. 2 problems is similar ma. I am solved the second one and third one. Just you have to try the fourth one and fifth one. This is similar to second one and third one. Just you have to do it and submit in the group. Yes, you have to write the second one to fifth one. This is your homework. We are solved the second one, third one. Just you have to try the fourth one and fifth one. Okay. Today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes and send me on the group. Send me in the group. Okay, thank you.